sithi sesilala sivuke sidle uPromise Makonyane nomshado wakhe nendoda yakhe. So exhausting. Oh my word. But sizokwenze njani izona indaba that are actually trending right now. Mubabona. Hayi-ke uPromise-ke indoda-ke uyawazi mase bethi i-broke his silence. Uyakhuluma ngomshado nange the whole thing yokuthi-ke u-Owami ambize u-Owami ngendlela athanda ngayo i-revenge lowasisi. Uma ngingakubophisanga uzobe ethi woza baba wami invite akuthuthe. No, point blank, I'm not coming. So that's very good, guys, because I mean this guy was married and this thing is very fresh. Well, why would you do that? He did actually confirm ukuthi yeah, yes, they are separated. Good, sometimes it's village jump, it's divorce. So can we concentrate on separation for now and move on with our lives? Like we with them, basically. So he refused to go to podcast ka-Owami wathi no ngiyabonga ngoba Thusisi is always on the revenge mode. Uthi ngoba uPromise wehlekisa ngaye wabiza indoda yakhe u-Owami. Wabiza indoda yakhe naye ethi podcast inini so uzombadalisa. Hayi bathi indoda yakhe le eka-Promise was just like no. Guys, maniney'ngane futhi ayincane kangaka. And your divorce or whatever you call it, separation is so new and fresh, and then you go into my podcast, you gallop, you lap. Please, who even does that, guys? That's so wrong in so many ways. Oh, I mean, guys, just like oh, sis. So you know how it is. There's gonna be people who are going to touch her and be like, "No, sissy, please don't do that." Yes, no, move on with your life. Those things of revenging are not on. Just move on. Just leave this girl to also continue with her life. Someone even said, how also busy inyanga lozodwa uyibiza kuma podcast akho suhamba usukelana nabantu abanomali. Cabanga guys, lo yabo guys kuyakhulunywa ku Twitter. Facebook has taken other directions now. It's neindaba iFacebook. I'm just like, what? Bese kuba ilesi story sika Somizi engeke ngize ngikwazi ukusibeka ngeEnglish ukuncwasa ngobulili. Yeah, I think that's proper Zulu actually. Yeah, cause lamanye amagama sometimes awumazi ukuthi uYouTube ubona kanjani uzobethuka ethi homophobic kwasa wena kanti I'm actually not even that person. So ungizweke uyayizwa ngithi video yakhe ke esho ke baxhaphaza. Hey, that's the only way I can use in Zulu ukuthi wabaxhaphaza. Hayi wabadrag wabadonsa. Wathi lalela nina hamba niye kweleni ilizwe ngoba niyinkonkoni zakuphi kuphi. Oh guys, I was just like it's a bit much. So bamphendulile kuSomizi bephethe amasuitcase akhe Louis Vuitton, you know, embonisa ukuthi okay. Bamphendula ke no Dominic. So Dominic was just saying nje ukuthi you know what, yazini umuntu wakwangixaka okwangibona kwenye event in KZN elibele isukumisa enza izinto and ngithethe ngizohamba wathi kumina uyo azini ngiyazisola ukuthi why didn't I try to get to know you, you know. Uthi Dominic yazi ngambuka nje, hayibo yazi ngamangala ukuthi umuntu kanti uyasizonda ngoba siyinkonkoni. What's wrong with this guy? Ayingizwe mina kangekele phansi. NoSomizi uthe nje no isifanike namasuitcase ama-10. I am actually moving to lo mhlaba wethu. Guys, you know what, kuyohlelekliwa. And indaba iqale kanjani? How it started? It started with this couple eyinkonkoni. They were getting married, right? So the guy, I guess the guy in a relationship was wearing some beautiful Zulu attire though. Hey, I was just like, what? Loved how he was dressed. They were just like, kushungizwe ethi even our forefathers, please just leave us alone. Guys, lalela kohlezi kuxatshana for some reason ongayazi. And mina feel ukuthi you know what, sonke in the eyes of the Lord we are the same. That's just what's crazy though. Umthandazo ufanayo and uNkulunkulu usizwa ngokufana akakhethi ke nje. It's what I like about him. So ngizoyike ime lapho kancane guys. Thank you so much. Ngithanda over.